जे जर हांवें लीज सायन केली ना, इट विल स्टील कंटिन्यू. By not signing lease, I am not taking away their rights. Their rights remain as per Supreme Court decision without signing the lease. So it is better if I take money against those signing of lease. कारण अजून पर्यंत हांवें 304 कोटी ऑलरेडी जमा केले अकाउंटान.
श्री सुभाष
सगळे प्रोसेस ताजेर
स्पीकर सर
प्रोसेस डिपार्टमेंट करता. ते तुका जाय जाल्यार हांव एक दीस डायरेक्टर मायन्सा कडेन वच. हांव कितें सगळे डिपार्टमेंटाचे प्रत्येक प्रोसेसा बरोबर हें नासता. ताणें एप्लिकेशन करचें पडटा. ते मागीर कन्सिडर करता जे कितें मिनिमम रिक्वायरमेंट घेता आनी त्या मेळून ताका ऑर्डर दिता.
सुभाष फळडे साहेब.
स्पीकर सर, बोथ दी क्वेश्चन्स आर आन्सर्ड. वन क्वेश्चन वॉज दॅट स्टॅम्प ड्युटी कितले पिरियडा खातीर करपाची आशिल्ली, तो आन्सर केल्लो आसा. आनी वॉट इज द मेकॅनिझम एडॉप्टेड टू डिरायव द क्वांटम ऑर अमाउंट, दॅट इज आन्सर्ड बाय दी
श्री मनसेरात.
एनवायरमेंट क्लियरन्साचेर 1 लाख टनाक 2 कोटी पर इयर, म्हणजे 20 वर्साची आसत. इज द 10 lakhs into 20, 2 crores for 20 years. 1 lakh ton of EC clearance has to pay 2 crores of lease. This is lease. There are royalties, there are other taxes, that is not counted here. Only to adhikar diवपाक. This is like a license fee, not the tax. फाल्यां सोऱ्याच्या एका दुकानाक लायसन्स दिले 10,000 रुपया घेवन, doesn't mean he is free to sell the liquor without payment of VAT, without payment of shops and establishment. Those are extra. So mine प्रत्यक्ष काडटा ती मायनीचेर royalty and other charges including export duty central government होता ती सगळी those are extra. This is only for
ताजेर ग्रेडिंग नसता. कितली हें आसा 65, 56 अशें हाजेर ताजेर कांय नासता. काय कसले क्वॉलिटी ऑफ ओर तशें कांय नासता.
ना लिजाचेर क्वॉलिटी नासता. रॉयल्टी घेता आसतना पर्सेंटेज ऑफ ओर इज टेकन इन टू अकाउंट. रॉयल्टी घेता आसतना लीज इज ओनली फॉर फाल्यां तुका मेळ्ळी ना समजा भितर तरी द लीज अमाउंट इज नॉट रिफंडेड.
Because I want to ask the Honorable Chief Minister, now you have renewed certain leases. Then you said that these mines were operating on deemed renewal.
One is renewed.
Only one is renewed. Okay. Now you have collected some revenue. You said 300.
So those are in process of renewal. They have not been renewed.
Now you say okay. Now you said that these mines have been so far they have been functioning under deemed renewal. Now how long has these mines been functioning under this deemed renewal?
1988 पासून इनफॅक्ट 1987 22 नोव्हेंबर 1987 पासून आयज म्हणजे जो पर्यंत हांव सायन करिना तो पर्यंत 22 November 1987.
So now this lease you have collected from when? This new lease is from which year?
The first 20 years is out of my hand.
Yeah.
I cannot do anything
no, but
about
you could not recover from these mine owners.
I don't think, because I will check up, because if I get more revenue, definitely I will go after collecting that. But I don't think, because an signing of renewal deed is an event. The fees are collected. It has to be signed. Sankta. The lease deed has to be signed on stamp paper, first of all. So ज्या दिसा साइन करता त्या दिसा स्टॅम्प पेपर किंवा पयले दिसा किंवा 1 म्हयनो पयलीं तुवें स्टॅम्प पेपर विकते घेवचे पडटा. ते स्टॅम्प पेपर जे विकते घेता पळय ताजो कॉस्ट तो लागता हाका. स्टॅम्प पेपर हे साइन करतकूच मागीर रजिस्टर करता सब रजिस्ट्रार. जशी समजा तुवें लेट अस एस्यूम फॉर आर्ग्युमेंट सेक तुका कळपाक सांगता की तुवें एक जागो बिल्डींग बांदपाक घेतलो. सादारण हें तशेंच तें थंय बिल्डींग बांदता हांगा आनी तो तुवें घेता आसतना 10 वर्सां पयलीं घेतलो अंडर एग्रीमेंट ऑफ सेल. तुका स्टॅम्प ड्युटी आयजची लागता, 10 वर्सां पयलींची लागना. हियर ऑल्सो डीम लिजाचेर कायद्यान तांकां प्रोविजन दिलां ते आयज कितें घेता ताजेर आसतलें. फाटल्या पिरियडाचो डीम प्रोविजनाचेरूच जालें न्ही तें मेकळें. सो आय डोंट थिंक, बट आय विल इफ आय कॅन टेक, आय एम हॅपी. You have given me another 500 crores.
Now why this why it was running all this while under deem renewal? Why they did not renew this? And will you hold responsible for the people who have done this wrong?
No, I cannot hold because it is under Supreme Court order of 1999, I think. 1987 हो कायदो जालो कारण पयलींच्या कायद्यान जेन्ना गोंयाक मायनीचो एक्ट लायलो त्या वेळार देर वर लॉट ऑफ डिस्प्यूट्स कमिंग अप. मायन ओनर्स वर गोइंग टू कोर्ट, हाय कोर्ट, सुप्रीम कोर्ट, सगळे कडेन. And their main contention was Goa mines are not leases, they are concessions given by Portuguese government from 1905 to 1960. That was the contention of the owners. Concession means is a different thing and lease is a different thing. So based on that, they went to the court and then central government realized that they will not be able to proceed much because everywhere there was obstacle, courts were giving stays. So central government amended the act in 1987, which is called as Abolition of Concession Act, by which all concessions were converted into deemed leases for 6 months up to 22nd November 1987, with a power to state government to extend the lease period by another 1 year, 2 installments of 6 years. So it became up to 1988, 22nd November, which government did at that time. So those who applied before 1988, 22nd November, only those concessions got converted into deemed leases.
Are still some mines functioning under this deemed renewal?
So at this moment, no mine is functioning.
No, but there are still mines. Means now since
if you want to say that where some of the mines still will be able to function.
Yeah.
If the court opens the air, technically yes.
Yeah. No. How many mines you were supposed? No. How many mines were supposed to be?
Around 81 mines were operational before the ban order came into picture. We estimate that out of that, around 15 to 20 mines might have some problems of wildlife or some environment, serious problems where they may not be able to function. So I think of the existing mine, around 60 will be in position to be functional.
Now, since you said these mines will be this renewal you have started, how many of these people have still, some mine owners have not come forward to renew this still?
No. Whatever we have noticed has been issued, only one has not till come, but there is a time for it.
Suppose Supreme Court decides in favor of concessioners, say that it is done, and we are losing, state will lose. Won't you do, will you take an ordinance like how we did for Siddharth Degoa, Supreme Court and ordinance? One second. Ego point it is a very important point. It's a very important point. We will lose, because sir. We will lose. So will government see that an ordinance or amendment without central government already took a decision and it was challenged, no doubt. Let us suppose Supreme Court, sir, can we not do something so that we don't lose? Will you think in that direction so that the state doesn't lose?
Because sir, mineral comes under central list not under...
We will talk to the center, no doubt, but state has to have a mind. If the state has a mind, we can go to the center.
Speaker sir, our policy, we have made it very clear. I believe that all mining resources are public property. Subject to laws, I will like to auction them.
Shri Alex Lawrence, follow prashna.
Speaker sir, I may be permitted to ask question number 4C.
Speaker sir, उत्तर छापील कागदा प्रमाण.
Speaker sir, in fact, in the question, answer is given in part A that there is no ongoing construction in survey number 119 of Oshel village. In the third part, C, you have said section 33 land revenue code initiate Kello deputy collector and STO Bardesan inquiry cholata. On whom it is going on inquiry? Kitle janacher and kon te person including the name.
Speaker sir, जो सर्वे नंबर 119 सब डिव्हिजन 19 असा हो प्रश्न आयल्यानंतर त्या पंचायतीचो सेक्रेटरी थंय वचून आयलो आणि म्हाका माहिती दिल्या प्रमाणे ह्या सर्वेत हाणें जी माहिती विचारला हो कुडचडीचो आमदार कुडतरीचो ही माहिती वशालांतली विचारूं येता कांयच हरकत ना ताणें पिन पॉयंटेड कोणाची तरी विचारूंक जाय आसली त्या सर्वे नंबरान 6 घरां आसात, 6 बांदलेलीं आसात, 6कूय कंपाऊंड वॉल आसा. आतां भितरल्या एकाचेर कोणाचेर तरी प्रोसिडींग चालू आसा अंडर सेक्शन 33. भितर 6 घरां आसात, 6 कंपाऊंडेड आसात.
प्रोसिडींग्स एकाचे चलता स्पीकर सर. ते एक मनशाचें नांव कितें, ओन्ली दॅट मच. लेट हिम आन्सर.
फुडलो सप्लिमेंटरी सर.
बरें स्पीकर सर, तो नांव सांगू सोदना. नांव सांगू सोदना कित्याक ही इज सरपंच ऑफ दॅट विलेज. आनी जेन्ना सरपंच ही इज कनेक्टेड आहा, तेगे रिलेटीव कोण कन्स्ट्रक्शन करता, इट बिकम्स अ प्रॉब्लम. परिवर्तन केलां हें करपाक न्ही. आनी मागीर कितें करतो, तेणी केलें म्हूण एरान केलें. आतां एरां कितें सांगत तो, तुजें एक्शन घेतलो आपणाचें कोणें केलें.
कितें सांगता तो
स्पीकर सर,
पंचायत कायद्यान खंय सरपंचाचेर जर तूं एक प्रोसिडींग आसत इल्लीगल कन्स्ट्रक्शनाचें जाल्यार सरपंच रावंक जायना बी अशें.
स्पीकर सर,
कायद्यान एके वटेन म्हणटा पंचायती लोकल सेल्फ बॉडी.
स्पीकर सर,
हाव डज इट मेक एनी डिफरन्स?
सीएमा जाय तेन्ना मागीर उलय न्ही, हांव फिनीश करतां.
न्हय तूं कितें प्रश्न विचारता पळय, दॅट कॅनॉट बी आस्क्ड हियर बिकॉज ही इज सरपंच बाय लॉ.
You
which cannot
protect
be
him.
discussed here.
You protect him, no problem.
We are not protecting him.
Because
Protecting केल्यार ताजी केस भायर उडयतले.
Speaker sir,
केस चालू आसा तो प्रोटेक्टिंग जायना. But you are raising issue which should not be raised in the assembly. It is by Panchayat Act, whoever is सरपंच.
Because, sir,
तूं सरपंचूच कित्याक म्हणटा, नांव सांग मरे तूं.
नांव म्हाका सांगपा नाका कोणाचें बी पण. नाका म्हाका नांव सांगपा नाका. इम्पॉर्टंट म्हणजे जेन्ना पर्सन
तुजे कडेन इन्फॉर्मेशन आसा जाल्यार दी तांकां.
I will give information to him. Let's go to the site. तो करतलो एक्शन घेतलो. हांव सायटीर या दोनपरां.
केस चालू
या सायटीर या. हांव
Speaker,
दाखयता
sir.
कन्स्ट्रक्शन.
स्पीकर सर, ताचो प्रश्न सर्वे नंबर 119 सब डिविजन 19 हाचेर आसा. तातूंत ह्या सर्वेन 6 घरां आसात, 6 घरां बांदलेलीं आसात, पूर्ण जाल्लीं आसात. 6 घरांक कंपाऊंड वॉल आसा. आतां भितरल्या एका घराच्या बाबतींत कोणें तरी कंप्लेन केल्या म्हणून डेप्युटी कलेक्टरा कडेन केस पेंडींग आसा अंडर सेक्शन 33 अंडर लँड रेव्हेन्यू कोड.
आसूं तेजी एक्शन घेनाका. वन मोर थिंग आय एम पॉयंटिंग आउट. फॉर्म 114 नांव बसून ना तेजें आनी कोणा नांव आहा. स्टील सो मेनी इरेग्युलरिटी. आसूं प्रॉब्लम ना, तो एक्शन घेवपाक सुद्दां घेनाका. बट दीस थिंग्स आर गोईंग ऑन. आय एम ब्रिंगिंग टू नोटीस ऑफ द ऑनरेबल पंचायत मिनिस्टर.
तूं तांकां मेळून नांव दिवपाचोच आसा न्ही.
बिकॉज सर तो हवेंत बाण मारता.
वी मूव टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. श्री रोहन खवटे.
Speaker sir, permitted to ask star LQ number 5B.
Speaker sir, answer is as per cyclostyle sheet.
Speaker sir, reply दिल्या प्रमाणे I will refer to the Pणजी range. पणजी range serial number 19. 21 झाडां कापली, 6 branches, 5 झाडां चांदनी ट्री. ताका फायन लायली 16,924. Serial number 20. 2 झाडां ट्री कापली, फायन लायली 11,092. Serial number 53. 2 झाडां कापली, case is compounded, imposing fine of 15,433. चडशे हातून झाडां कसली कापली ती मेन्शन केल्लें ना आनी ते खंयच्याच झोनान आशिल्ली तेन्ना झाडां दिल्ली इलिगल कापल्या ताजो रिकॉर्ड कांय मेळना. ऑल्दो इट इज इलिगल रिकॉर्ड ना. पयलो प्रश्न आसा म्हजो, वॉट इज द सिस्टम ऑफ इम्पोजींग फायन ऑन द ऑफेन्सीस बुक्ड and whether any responsible authority checks this while giving the fines? What is the process and action taken by the department in case of such offences?
Speaker sir, when offence cases are booked against illegal felling of trees, they are as per the provisions of Preservation of Trees Act 1984.
No, fines.
Yeah.
How are the fines charged?
Exact fine per tree.
They have cut 19 trees, 21 trees, they are charged only 16,000. 2 trees, they are charged 15,000. So anything is there from the forest side, how they charge?
Actually, the difference in the fine depends upon the quality of the tree. So it depends upon the girth of the tree, the size of the tree. There are a lot of factors that are to be considered.
Who overlooks this? That is what I'm asking.
Who does this?
Who overlooks it? This particular thing before the fine is being charged, who overlooks it? And what is the process action taken by the Department of
The authority that overlooks this is the DCF.
Let her complete answer first.
Yeah. The fines, yeah, I've already said the fines are charged based on size.